Shortcut to command prompt pointing to specific folder. How can I create a desktop shortcut that opens up command prompt, CMD, in a specific folder? I'm getting tired of navigating from my home directory to my development directories.
Create your shortcut and then right-click to get the Properties dialog and set the Starting property to be your folder. If you are running the shortcut as an administrator, you should add your desired path to the target instead of starting, for example. Or because the start in value is ignored when running as administrator, all credits go to @varlot for their answer and @t_d for their comment.
Or you could just use a target string similar to this. Obviously, c:\windows\system32\cmd.x is to run cmd. The /k carries out the command by string and continues. The string is the c:" and amp cdc:\drv\bat. Within the string, the c:" just changes the drive letter. The and amp ties both commands together. And the cd c:\drv\bat is basically a change directory. Also, one thing to note, the cd c:\drv\bat should also change drives.
There's more than one way to skin this cat, for sure. A batch file could also do it for you. This will start you off in the program files directory on the C drive. Especially make sure to use the /t switch if you're changing to a different drive than where CMD normally starts you. The Open Command window here, PowerToy for Windows XP, is also rather handy for going straight from an Explorer session into a CMD console at a certain directory. You can use the @run string value in one of the following registry keys to essentially automate the above for all CMD sessions. For your account only. For all users on this machine. If the @run value doesn't exist, create it as a reg_se type, also known as string value. For data, you can either put the path to a batch file like the one above, remove the echo and CMD lines, or just insert the cd command as shown in the above example. The upside of pointing the registry to a batch file, instead of just adding the command, is that you can add in as many @run commands as you like to the batch file. This way you can create custom prompt formats or script other tasks you want done at every launch of CMD. One thing to keep in mind if you make these registry changes though, is that they may affect the behavior of other batch files. Particularly, batch files may find themselves not starting in the directory they were originally written for. As always, back up your registry before making any untested changes.
Answering 7 years after the question asked, smile. It might help someone anyway. To have the shortcut work with Run as Administrator option enabled, insert your commands separated within an amp, in the target text box of the Properties dialog after /key switch. Don't forget that the commands containing folder names with spaces, for example, program files, should be enclosed in double quotation marks. The following example opens command prompt, runs node.js batch file, switches to drive D, goes to code directory. C column / Windows / System32 / cmd.exe / kd column / program files / node.js / notavirus.bat and amp, d column and amp, cd column / code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.